For homeowners in Rowlett, keeping your property and family safe is a top priority. While security systems, smart cameras, and motion lights are all helpful tools, one factor plays an even more critical role in home safety: proper door installation. Even the strongest, highest quality door can become a vulnerability if it's installed incorrectly. On the other hand, a properly installed door significantly strengthens your home's defense against break-ins and everyday wear. Here's how professional door installation directly impacts home security in Rowlett neighborhoods, and why it's an investment worth making. A properly installed door eliminates gaps and weak points. Poor installation can leave gaps between the door and its frame, inviting issues like drafts, water intrusion, and most dangerously, security vulnerabilities. Burglars often look for doors that give just a little when pushed or kicked, as these small weaknesses make break-ins easier. A professionally installed door fits tightly against the frame, closes securely without shifting, prevents prying tools from slipping into cracks, aligns perfectly with the lock and latch system. A secure fit means fewer opportunities for forced entry and greater peace of mind for homeowners. Stronger anchoring enhances break-in resistance. Even the toughest door won't protect your home if the frame is loose or the hinges are incorrectly installed. Many break-ins in North Texas occur not because locks are picked, but because intruders force the door inward by breaking the frame. When installed professionally, your door receives reinforced hinge screws anchored deep into the wall studs, secure strike plates attached with long, heavy-duty screws, a solid frame that resists kicking and forced impacts, balanced installation so no part of the door bears uneven stress. This level of reinforcement is essential for home security, especially in Rowlett's busy residential communities. Correct installation ensures locks function properly. Your locks are only as reliable as the alignment of your door. If the door shifts, sags, or sits unevenly in the frame, the bolt may not fully engage with the strike plate. Even a slight misalignment can reduce lock performance or cause the door to remain partially unsecured. With professional installation, locks engage cleanly and completely maintain alignment over time, operate smoothly for everyday use, offer maximum strength in the event of forced entry. This greatly improves the effectiveness of both standard deadbolts and smart lock systems. Quality installation prevents warping and long-term damage. In Rowlett, heat, humidity, and seasonal storms can cause doors, especially wooden ones, to warp over time. When warping occurs, the door becomes harder to close, latch, and lock, creating security issues. Professional installers help prevent this by selecting materials suitable for Texas weather, ensuring proper weather stripping and sealing, installing thresholds that protect against moisture, providing reinforcement that helps doors stay straight. A stable, well-installed door remains secure for years, even with fluctuating weather conditions. Enhanced energy efficiency also contributes to safety. Although energy efficiency may seem unrelated to security, tightly sealed doors prevent more than just heat loss. They also reduce noise and make it harder for intruders to detect whether someone is home. Well-installed doors create an environment where outside noise is reduced. Doors don't rattle or move in the frame. Interior temperature control signals that the home is maintained. A home that looks secure and occupied is less likely to be targeted. Professional installers identify and address hidden weaknesses. Experienced local installers know the common structural issues found in Rowlett homes, such as settling foundations, misaligned frames, or rot around old door jambs. They can identify potential weaknesses and correct them during installation, something DIY installations often miss. This ensures your door is supported by strong structural components. Weak or damaged framing is replaced before the door is installed. Your home's security isn't compromised by overlooked problems. A more secure home starts with proper door installation. The right door can enhance curb appeal, improve efficiency, and boost home value. But proper installation is what truly protects your home. For Rowlett families, choosing a qualified professional ensures your entryway is strong, secure, and built to withstand both daily use and potential threats. If you're upgrading your doors, investing in expert installation is one of the most effective ways to enhance home security and gain long-term peace of mind.